Good night. My name is Zuly Janet Manrique. Tutor Danilo Cárdenas Erazo. Group 28. The Diamond Supermarket Kinds Organization Behavior Factor Main Problem or Awareness in the case. Proposal to improve the situation. Factor Tian Bulging. My problem or awareness in the case. Collaborator on the four education levels. Proposal training style to handle the exam acknowledgement and to facilitate the construction of work team build work team from different disciplines and external to policy vision with the work strategy than harm and on blazing participation of the work. Leadership. Improving supply chain management, planning and guide exercises. To provide the leadership of the footing management to the person with the acknowledged to carry on the ties successfully. Otherwise, side the words leaders should the guidelines the process correct. Child management. Resisting to change the management demonstrate the benefit of child to with management in order to motivate changing management. Conflict management. Conflicts are solved for or mitigated with ignorance, becoming allowing fair problems for the organization that are internal and external. The scene and conflict resolution plan is ensuring the human talent in order to allow a neutral regarding external conflict facing in the resolution of the four victims in intimate and satisfactory in mind for I. Human capital in innovation. Answers on function manual guidelines or using a police in the office duty ideal for innovation are ignored. A specific house role finds I signate task count clear goals, employment contract, I method model in innovation show and use where in the origin can come from a department and is developed with the support of the author to try into account the ideas on now of the art.